Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is Introduction to Cost Accounting. And one more thing, if any of the students related to Sanjeev Degree College of Arts and Science are viewing this video, please leave yes sir in the comment section. By that I am able to know students are viewing this video. Our topic is Introduction to Cost Accounting. What are its objectives and importance? Before learning any subject, we must know how that subject is useful to us, how that is useful in the industry, how that is useful in our career. If we really believe the subject is very much useful, then automatically we can enjoy the subject. What is cost accounting? First of all, when we talk about accounting, what comes to our mind? Generally, preparation of journal, ledger, trial balance, trading P&L and balance sheet. Okay. Here we know what is our gross profit, what is our net profit, and what is the position, that is what are our assets and what are our liabilities. Okay, but have you computed what is the cost of a product in financial accounting? No. If you don't know the cost of a product, how can you fix the price? If the cost of the product is 100 rupees and the margin I want is 10% of profit, the total price becomes 110 rupees. Fixing the price of your product is a very important thing. Otherwise, how can you do your business? So the very important thing is fixing the price. To determine that, we need to know what is the cost of the product, where costing helps us. Okay students, now what is the goal of any business? To earn profits. To achieve this, what a firm has to do? A firm has to provide a best quality product at the best price. To provide a product, a best quality product at best price, we need costing. Yes, because costing analyzes each and every element of cost. For example, to manufacture a product, what are the costs involved? Up to the point of sale, raw material, okay? Next one is labor, and next one is direct expenses, and the next one is indirect expenses. This costing helps to monitor at each and every point and helps to reduce the cost. If the cost of the product is reduced, then there is a chance of higher profits and there is a chance to provide at best possible price when compared to your competitors. See how costing is useful to us. Let's take an example. ITC is manufacturing salt, okay, table salt, and it captured 50% of India's population. 140 crore, 50% is 70 crore. Each person consumes one salt packet per month. Okay. Now, by using costing methods and techniques, if we are able to save 50 paisa per packet, automatically when the cost is reduced, the profit increases by 50 paisa. 70 crore into 50 paisa is 35 crore profit increase per month. Per annum, it is 420 crore. If this works for 10 years, there is a slight increase in profit by 4,200 crore. This may seem to be hypothetical, but my dear friends, this is very much possible with the help of costing. And let us see this from another angle. If you are not maintaining proper cost accounting and you computed wrongly the cost of a product and you fix the price accordingly. Say 100 rupees is the cost of the product, but you calculated that to be 80 rupees and you added margin wrongly or 10%, 80 plus 8, 88, and you are selling that at 88 rupees. But what is the loss? 12 rupees per unit. For example, if you have sold 1 lakh units per annum, then 1 lakh into 12 lakh is loss to you. You are not doing business. You are just throwing your money. Definitely your business will end up with losses if you do like that. See, without proper costing, it is impossible to get success in business. I think cost accounting is much more important than financial accounting. I'm not saying financial accounting is useless. In its area, it works. But here, for determining the cost, to fix a price, to control the cost, to achieve the main goal of the business, that is to provide a best quality product at the best price. For all these things, and to monitor each and every activity, to measure the operational performance of each and every activity, each and every department, costing helps us. Because right from purchase of raw material to the point of sale, there are so many activities taking place in the business. There are so many departments. It helps to identify inefficiencies, wastages, helps to rectify those things and keep the entire production in control. I think you realized the importance of costing. There are definitions for costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy, but let us see what is the main essence. Costing helps in ascertainment of cost, that is computation and measurement of cost, and helps in analyzing the cost. What we will get from that analysis? It leads to control and reduction of cost. So what will happen? When the cost of production is reduced, automatically there is a chance for higher profits. And it is also useful to provide a lot of information and to provide various reports for the management for decision making. Let us see what are the objectives of costing. First one is ascertainment of cost, that is computation of cost or determination of cost. There are two methods. First one is post costing and the second one is continuous costing. In post costing, after the activity is completed, then we calculate what is the cost and we add a particular margin and fix the price. The second thing is continuous costing. For example, if we are manufacturing soap, we manufacture for the entire year. There is no stoppage of production. Now, here continuous costing helps. That is, whenever an activity takes place, the costs are recognized. So, when the product reaches the final stage and the production is completed, here also the calculation of cost gets completed and the final cost of the product is achieved. That means their production is going on, here calculation of the cost goes on simultaneously. This is called continuous costing. The next objective is determination of selling price. Yes, it is true that our competitors' product and the substitutes of our product, their price also influence the price of our product. But the cost of the product is a main base for fixing the price of the product, because we can't price our product less than our cost of production. So costing helps in determination of price by giving a base, that is, what is your cost of the product. Now, what is your required margin? Accordingly, fix your price. The next objective is cost control and cost reduction. Cost control and cost reduction doesn't mean compromising in the quality of the product. Anyone can reduce the cost by using a cheap raw material, but that is not the goal of costing. Cost control means prior planning before performing any activity and continuously monitoring that activity, whether it is in line with our plan. By that, we can reduce unnecessary costs. Cost reduction is a permanent solution to reduce the cost. For example, if we install a new technology, by that the cost of manufacturing a product will reduce. This is a permanent solution. If we improve the skills of our labor, then also the cost of manufacturing a product reduces. This is a permanent solution. And similarly, if you change the methods of production and successfully reduced the wastages of raw material, then this is a permanent solution. The firm enjoys that benefit permanently. So cost reduction is a permanent solution. This is cost control and cost reduction. And once again, cost control and cost reduction doesn't mean reducing cost by compromising in quality of the product. The next objective is ascertainment of profit for each and every activity. If I am taking up any activity, I have to measure what are the costs, expected costs, and what is the expected benefit. If the benefit is more than cost, we will proceed, otherwise not. Costing helps to do this. After incurring loss, anyone can say we incurred loss, but what is the use? Before taking up any activity, we need to ascertain what is the cost, what is the expected benefit, and is this profitable or not. So costing helps in this area, and the next objective is helps in managerial decision making. Yes, costing provides a lot of information, so many reports which are helpful for the management, because for every activity there are so many alternatives. For example, if I want to purchase raw material, I can purchase from Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D. There are so many alternatives, but among them, what is the best alternative? Costing provides information for the management to choose the best one among the available opportunities or available alternatives. Helps in managerial decision making. Okay, hope you understood what is the importance of costing. Definitely the business will go bankrupt without costing, without proper cost accounting or costing techniques and methods. Let us briefly see what are the advantages of costing. We said previously, cost includes so many elements, that is different costs combined together to form the total cost of a product. Okay, what are these? First one, we use raw material as, we use labor as. There are direct expenses and indirect expenses. First one, costing helps to control raw material cost. Second one, costing helps to control labor cost. Third one, costing helps to control direct indirect expenses. Okay, by controlling what will happen, our cost of production reduces, then there is a chance of higher profits, and there is a chance of providing our product at the best possible price and at a competitive price than our competitors, which is helpful for the success of the organization. And the next one is measuring efficiencies. Costing helps in measuring each and every activity's efficiency, each and every department's efficiency, each and every job's efficiency, and it helps to find out inefficiencies and helps to find out flaws. By that we can fix these problems, and it helps in reducing the cost of our product. The next one is providing budgets. This is very important advantage of costing. Yes, before planning any activity or just before jumping into any activity, costing with its prior data and costing techniques and methods, it draws a prior picture, that is the budget, because each and every activity in huge organizations involves crores of rupees. Without budget, without prior plan, we can't just jump into any activity. Costing helps to provide budgets. And the next important advantage is helps in managerial decision making. For example, to cut the cost in case of off season, and to use idle capacities. How to use those idle capacities? It helps in taking expansion decisions. Costing provides data regarding what is our production, what is the present capacities, is there need to go for expansion. So costing helps in decision making. Okay students, this is the outline of costing, its objectives, importance and advantages. Hope you realized how useful, how beneficial the subject of costing for any industry, for any enterprise. Costing is much more beneficial than financial accounting. Okay, financial accounting is also useful, but it's my opinion. And comment on this, post your views in the comment section. Cost accounting is much important than financial accounting, or financial accounting is much important than cost accounting. Okay, I agree, both are important in their areas, but in my opinion, cost accounting is a very important thing, because we can't imagine without costing the success of any organization, because even for price fixation, costing is required, my dear friend. Okay, positive reviews. Hope you understood. If there are any doubts, please leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, please give a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. This is for today. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.